let's learn about finding and using reference imagery for acrylic painting. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy, where we teach the world to paint. In today's video, we'll show you how to find and use reference imagery to enhance your acrylic paintings. Reference imagery is a valuable resource for artists, providing inspiration and guidance when approaching specific subjects. Traditionally, art students spend countless hours studying live models to understand the human form. But now, thanks to websites like Pexels.com, you have access to a vast collection of royalty-free images for almost any need. Once you've found the perfect reference image, download a high-quality file and use it as a reference on your device or computer. Just remember to read and follow the rules outlined by the website to ensure proper use. Google Image Search also allows you to filter for royalty-free images, giving you even more options. If you want to combine multiple reference photos, you can create a digital collage using software like Photoshop. This allows you to customize the images to suit your needs. You can also cut images from magazines or other printed media to create collages, but be mindful of copyright restrictions, especially if you plan to sell your artwork. To make the most of your reference images, adjust your device's display settings. Keep the screen awake and adjust the brightness to see all the details. Just remember to revert to your previous settings to conserve battery life. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we create. Websites like Craiyon can generate images based on a few words, giving you endless possibilities for reference imagery. Make sure to check the terms of use on the website before incorporating these images into your artwork. We hope these tips have inspired you to explore the world of reference imagery for your acrylic paintings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful painting content. And if you want to expand your painting knowledge, check out our free painting courses at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses.